So sometimes in the Linux, if you try to run something, you get this particular error. It will say bind address already in use. So in my case, it is happening for the port number 443 like this, but in your case, it might happen with the port 80 also, port 443 also, or it might happen with the any other port. So what is the reason behind this? So this error is basically telling you something is running in the background on this particular port. Okay, so how exactly we can solve that? First of all, we need to exit from the program, whatever it is. So in my case, it was the program, that's why I pressed the exit. But in your case, it might not required. Okay, it might log out from the server, so don't press exit. Okay, now I want to check what is running on that particular port. So what I will do is I'll simply type ls of dash I and then colon and then the particular port number. In my case, it was port number 443. So as you can see right here, it is using 443 and it is using 5300 also. Both are port giving the error, but I will search for the 443 first. Okay, so once I hit the enter, it will show me the service which is running using that particular port, or the service which is using that particular port. So in my case, can you see it is this particular service is using the port number 443. The service name is evilgenix, or in your case the service name can differ, it can change, but in my case it is the service name. So this is the service name, and then there is a PID, which is process ID. So simply what you need to do is you need to type kill and then you need to type your process ID. So in my case, as you can see, process ID is 3052. So as you can see right here, this is my process ID. So I'll just copy paste and hit enter. So right now we just kill that service. Whatever the service was running, we just kill that service. Okay. So now if I execute exactly same command ls of dash I port number 443, then I get nothing. That means nothing is running on that particular port right now. Okay. So in my case, exactly same service was using port number 5300 also. So if I do 5300, let's say 5300, then also it will show nothing because we just deleted that particular PID. So that's why. Now let me try to run my program and let's see if it is running correctly. Yes, this time it is not giving error. This is running without any errors. That means we just solve the port issue. So in my case, I use kill command to kill the port, but in some cases, if the service is identifiable, then there is no need to use the kill command. You can just stop that service. So let's take example. When I try to check this service, so in that service name you found Apache or Nginx or OpenLightSpeed. Okay, these are the well-known service name. So in that case, you don't need to use the kill command to kill that PID. What you can do is you can simply type the command systemctl, or let's say you can type the command service stop nginx or service nginx stop, right? So if you use that particular command, it will stop that service and the port will be free to use for your work, right? So yes, this is how you can fix the duplicate port issue or bind port issue. I hope you understood everything. If you have any doubt, please let me know, and thanks for watching. See you in the next.